Determining the slope on Chapter 5, Tier 2 is testing whether you understand that the slope can be found by finding the change in y over the change in x. So that's our slope formula. Now the change in y refers to from one starting point to another point, how much did it rise? So because this is the y-axis, it's talking about the vertical. Is it going up? How much did it go up or how much did it go down? Now, all our questions are only going to be positive numbers, so it's only going to be going up. And if we look at line A, and we can start at the origin and find this first point here, this 2, 3, we can see that it rose. It went up 1, 2, 3 points. And so we would put that our change in y is equal to 3. And then our change in x, that means on the x-axis is horizontal, how much did it run over? So if it went up 3 on the y-axis, to get to this purple point, it ran 2. And so we would say that our slope is 3 over 2. And that's how you would use that same slope to find any other point on the line. So you could start at that 2, 3 point and then follow that same slope. So rise of 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, and you end up at 4, 6 on the line also. And I'm sorry, I put that on B, but it should be on A. So for line B, you're going to use the same kind of logic. You're going to find the change in y, so your rise, and from the origin, that's the point 0, 0, the very center of the graph. From the origin here, you can see that to get to this point here, 2, 8, that it rose by 8. And we know that because the y coordinate is an 8, meaning that it rose by 8, and then it ran over 2. And so if it rose 8, ran 2, our rise over run is 8 over 2, which simplifies down to 4. And so what that means, that 4, is that for every 4 points that it rises up, it goes to the right 1. And that's how we could get to this point here, is we would rise 4 over 1.